Howdy doody folks, welcome back to my weird, wonderful, wacky channel. My name's Dekaylee and I am your hostess with the ghostess. Today I am unboxing the top 30 NYX Professional Makeup's Face Awards box. So, we are just gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what is inside.
Waiting for a spider to jump out.
Stop it.
Wow, it's really pretty.
There is a little satchel with a couple cards. One of the sponsors is Target. It says, congratulations for earning a spot in the 2019 hashtag Face Awards Top 30 from your sponsor, Target. It's another card that says, congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 8th annual Face Awards Top 30. We can't wait to see what you create in the first challenge. I can't wait to see what I create in the first challenge either. I thought maybe it was like a folded thing. Okay, it says Face Awards, and then it says what's hot and what's not. Fill us in on the 411, which I don't know if that's like a hint for the first challenge, but that's what it says on the front, and then it says, we hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. It says, a special thanks to our hashtag Face Awards sponsors. Make sure to find them on Instagram, and then list the sponsors right here, which is Target, I think it's Vichy, sounds like more fancy to me, so I think it's Vichy Laboratories, and then Epidemic Sound, who is sponsoring the sound like that we get to use for our NYX Face Awards videos. Okay, so there's that. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's like very beautifully put together. Wow, my desk. Okay, so let's start with Vichy Laboratories. This is a really pretty box. I wasn't expecting that. That's pretty. Ta-da! It has a little card about how to use this product, the Mineral 89 Fortifying and Hydrating Daily Skin Booster. So it's got a little card about that. Yeah, Mineral 89. It has Vichy. Okay, this is micellar water, I believe, but it says Purité there. I can't do it. I'm so bad at this. Cleansing micellar solution. Oh, I think that actually what I was trying to say. That must be like the line. I'm such an idiot. Micellar cleansing wipes, which is great because go through a lot of those. And then a mineralizing thermal water. Born in the French volcanoes. Look at that. You're reading me for filth because apparently I need skincare.
Yeah, they customize the packaging
to
the person. They're gonna need some of those.
Yeah. So thank you, Vichy, very much. I'm excited to try these products. Jesus. Okay, so this is the face. Well, they seal it very well, I must say. I'm quite impressed. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Wow.
These are like $15 foundations. I'm broke. Do you know how much product this is?
Wow.
I'm kind of like shocked right now because I like can't believe. So they said all these skin veils and then all of these foundations. I can't believe this. So that is the face folder envelope. Oh, so there's another face envelope. I'm only into bag 2 and the Vichy box. There's so much product here. I can't believe it. So there's mascara, pore filler. There are some cheek tints. A bunch of the can't stop, won't stop contours, matte finishing setting spray, Bare With Me Perfecting Primer, Bear With Me Jelly Primer. I'm actually not a primer person, so I'm intrigued to know if they're gonna convince me that primers work, you know what I mean? And then a couple highlighters, a color correcting concealer, and powder blush. And then they also sent the California Beamin' bronzer. And they sent a bunch of these. These are huge. That's just the second bag. This is nuts. Like, this is insane. So insane that my fabric backdrop, it can't believe it either. Alright, so in the black envelope, it is tools, which I'm really excited about. All of my brushes are like getting kind of ratty. Oh, thank God they're brushes. So they've got like a beauty sponge, be gone, be gone, vanish, you beast, makeup remover wipes. I'm gonna eat through these. I'm going to see, there we go. A pencil sharpener. And brushes, thank God. I need brushes so bad. I haven't been able to buy any new brushes because we literally just moved, so obviously all my budget went to moving. So, there's a ton of brushes here. Oh, this one's weird. This one's got like such a weird shape. So it looks like they've got a bunch of different like stippling brushes, powder, like foundation. It looks like basically they have everything you need is in here. Yeah, there's like a little bit of everything in here. So this is all the brushes they sent. I literally needed to replace like all my brushes. So this is really convenient, really great timing. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is great. Okay, so this one is specialty. I'm thinking this one definitely must be like special effects, like creams and stuff. I could be wrong on that. Yep. In the specialty envelope, they have sent a bunch of glitters, which is awesome because I don't think I've ever met a glitter that I didn't like. And then the glitter goals, cream glitter palettes, and then a pigment primer. And then this is what I'm really excited about. Alright, so they sent a bunch of their special effects creams, like a ton of them. I love like cream foundations because I look at makeup as like a painting process, so I like to like build it up slowly but surely. So these are like perfect for me. And then their special effects loose setting powder. I think that is what I'm going to get the most use out of because I love cream foundations so much. Two more. We have the eyes. Let's see, let's see. Oh my God, yes, I'm so excited about it. So they have Control Freak eyebrow gel. Okay, so these are like eye pencils. Excited to use those like to kind of like draw on my face. If you get into makeup, I think like everyone is required to try the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Like, I swear this is a staple for anyone beginning makeup. They sent like a rose burgundy, a blue, and then a gold, and the milk. These are their Wicked Lashes. Then they sent an eyeshadow base. Ooh, now I'm excited for this. This is their Epic Ink Liner. I love like felt tip eyeliner pens. Bear With Me brow setter, so that goes perfect because I don't have any eyebrows. So they sent 3 of the Vivid Brights liquid liner. I've been wanting to try these for forever. I don't know why I haven't. And then they sent the Modern Dreamer palette, which maybe I'm wrong on this, but I think this is a new release palette that like they just came out with. They sent a bunch of these Fill and Fluff eyebrow pomade pencil. Oh, that's kind of cool. Of course, for the person who doesn't have eyebrows, but I know they sent these to everyone, but it's just funny because I don't have eyebrows. That's what is in the eye package. There is the last one, which is lips. Wow, they sent Filler Instinct plumping lip polish. So these must be like kind of glosses. And so they sent the Bear With Me lip conditioner, which is great because I'm like always putting chapstick on. They sent a bunch of their lip lingerie, tons of them. So I really wanted to try these two. So I'm really happy they sent them to me because I love these colors, because I love like a greige and like a taupe undertone, so I'm really excited about these. They sent soft matte lip cream. They sent black, which is great because I'm going to use all the time. They sent a bunch of like reds and burgundies and like peachy colors. Okay, so they got some iridescent shades. So these ones are the NYX Glitter Goals liquid lipstick. I am excited to try these because I, as a drag artist, like love glitter, obviously, but I love like the unconventional shades too. So like this like silver color and then this blue, I definitely like really like those. This is the actual last product. So this is the Powder Puff Lippy. So it looks like they do have different finishes. Okay, so that is all of the lips category. This is a lot of product. This is incredible, and this makes me so happy to feel like I'm finally being recognized alongside like this incredible lineup of other artists. And as a drag artist and a non-binary person, I'm so excited to be able to represent non-binary drag artists in the makeup world. Like, I'm just starting out in like the makeup world, you know what I mean? I don't have sponsorships, I'm not on PR lists, and it is just incredible to me that like that Vichy, Epidemic Sound, Target, and NYX Pro Makeup would like sponsor this competition, and they like selected me to be in the top 30. And this is so generous. Like, thank you very much for all this product. But I'm really excited to see what this means. You can get updates on the competition by following me on Instagram, and of course subscribing to this YouTube channel. I hope that you'll support me by using hashtag TEAMDEKAYLEE and of course voting for me when voting begins. So thanks everyone for watching. Ta-ta, bye-bye.